Good day, welcome to Maths Clinic. I'm your maths coach, I'm Mr. Samson. We have a problem here to solve. And if you discover here you have both multiplication, subtraction, division, and addition, everything. So you use the knowledge of board maths in order to solve this. You start with bracket, orders, division, multiplication, addition, and then subtraction. That's the full meaning of board maths. So let's solve this. We'll start with the bracket. 2 all over 3 times 1 all over 4 minus 3 all over 2 divide by, you change this to an improper fraction. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So you have 5 all over 2 and then plus 1 all over 3. You continue, you are not done with the bracket, so everything remains the same. You now have 3 all over 2 times 2 all over 5. I have explained this before. When you are dividing fractions, the first fraction remains the same, while you reciprocate the second one and then change the sign to multiplication. So 3 all over 2, this change to times, and this 2 goes up, 5 comes down, and then plus 1 all over 3. You now have 2 all over 3 times 1 all over 4 minus, what do you do here? 3 times 2, 6. 2 times 5, 10. Multiplication, remember multiplication of fraction, direct multiplication, plus 1 all over 3. Think we can reduce this 6 all over 10 that we got. Let's go to the next place. We have 2 all over 3 times 1 all over 4 minus this 6 all over 10. If we reduce it, 2 here is 3. 2 into 10 is 5 plus 1 all over 3. You are done with the bracket. The next thing is multiplication according to board maths. So you come here and do 2 times 1, 2, 3 times 4, 12, minus 3 all over 5 plus 1 all over 3. At this point, what do? You take the LCM, because when you have addition and subtraction, I say you will find LCM. The LCM of the denominator, we have 12, 5, and 3. To find the LCM, you can do it here. 12, 5, 3. What number can go into any one of them? We can start with 3. 3 can go into 12. How many times? 4 times. 3 cannot go into 5. You bring it down. 3 into 3, 1. You can now use 4 here. 4 into 4, 1. 4 cannot go into 5. You bring down 5. This is 1 coming down. And then here 5, 1. 5 into 5, 1, 1. Once you reach 1, 1, 1, you multiply everything left here. So you do 3 times 4 times 5, you get the LCM. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 times 3 is 60. So the LCM is what? Is 60. So you now write your 60 here, and you do 60 divided by 12, you will get 5. 60 divided by 12, you have 5. 5 times 2, you have 10. You bring down your negative sign. 60 divided by 5. 60 divided by 5, I think you should have 6. I think you should have 6, if I am not mistaken. 60 divided by 5. Is it 6? 60 divided by 5. No, it's 12. 60 divided by 5 is 12. Then you do 12 times 3. 12 times 3 should be 36. 36. I think I'm correct. 60 divided by 5 is 12. 12 times 3 is 36. You now bring your positive sign, and you do 60 divided by 3 should be 20. 20 times 1 is what? Is 20. You are moving. So what do? You can say 10 minus 36, which is minus 26. Minus 26. Minus 26. Minus 26 plus 20 should be minus 6 all over what? 60. I think you can reduce this because 6 can go into 6 and 6 can go into 60. So 6 into 6 will go 1 time. That means we have minus 1, and 6 into 60 will go 10 times. So your final answer is minus 1 all over 10. Thank you.